Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can share a screen on Discord. So to do that, you're just going to go in like a channel, like a voice channel, and to share your screen you're just going to select this and select a screen to share, for instance this one, or you can select an application to share, or if you want to share the whole screen, just select the screen and then choose like the quality and stuff, and then you can also notify your friends that you're streaming right now in like the server. Then you're just going to select go live, and as you can see I'm now streaming right here, and I can just stop streaming by pressing this button or this button over here. If you're streaming a game, like if you want to like share screen a game, it's just gonna show right here. For instance, like if I'm playing Valorant, it'll say Valorant here, and then you can just select share screen here. But that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!